Could a machine decide your fate in war? This question isn't just science fiction anymore. With rapid advancements in technology, AI is becoming an integral part of modern military operations. Let's dive into the ethics of AI in warfare. AI is revolutionizing military technology, transforming how wars are fought. From sophisticated drones to fully autonomous weapons, AI systems are designed to enhance efficiency and precision. These advancements promise to change the landscape of military strategy and execution. But what exactly are autonomous weapons? These are systems capable of identifying, engaging, and eliminating targets without human intervention. Unlike traditional weapons, they rely on algorithms and sensors to make real-time decisions. Their potential for autonomous action raises significant ethical concerns. A brief history of AI in military applications shows a gradual evolution. Initially, AI was used for data analysis and logistics. Over time, its role expanded to include surveillance, reconnaissance, and now, even combat operations. Each step brought new capabilities and ethical dilemmas. Real-world examples illustrate AI's current use in military operations. Drones equipped with advanced AI can perform surveillance and strike missions with minimal human input. AI-driven systems are also employed for threat detection and battlefield management, showcasing their growing importance in modern warfare. The ethical debate surrounding artificial intelligence in warfare raises significant concerns. Autonomous weapons, capable of making life or death decisions, challenge our moral frameworks. Can we trust machines with such power? The stakes are incredibly high, and the implications profound. International law currently grapples with the complexities of AI in warfare. Existing treaties and conventions were not designed for autonomous technologies. As a result, there's a regulatory gap that needs urgent attention before these machines become more prevalent on the battlefield. Maintaining human control over artificial intelligence decisions is crucial. Human oversight ensures accountability and moral responsibility in warfare. Without it, we risk scenarios where machines operate without ethical considerations, potentially leading to catastrophic consequences that no one can be held accountable for. Accountability becomes murky when autonomous weapons make mistakes. Traditional military accountability structures struggle to address errors made by AI. If a machine misidentifies a target, who bears the responsibility? This question remains unresolved, posing significant ethical and legal challenges. Delegating the act of killing to machines introduces profound moral dilemmas. Warfare inherently involves difficult ethical judgments. Allowing AI to make these decisions removes the human element, potentially desensitizing the act of killing and altering our perception of warfare's moral boundaries. The potential risks if machines decide life and death are staggering. Autonomous weapons could malfunction or misinterpret data, leading to unintended casualties. Such scenarios raise profound ethical questions about the delegation of lethal decisions to non-human entities. Exploring the issue of artificial intelligence bias in autonomous weapons reveals troubling implications. AI systems can perpetuate existing biases, leading to disproportionate harm to specific groups. This inherent bias challenges the fairness and justice of using AI in life-or-death military decisions. The consequences of technical failures in AI-driven weapons are dire. A simple software glitch or hardware malfunction could result in catastrophic outcomes, including unintended attacks on civilians. The reliability of these systems remains a significant concern for military planners and ethicists alike. The risk of hacking and cyber attacks on autonomous weapon systems is a critical vulnerability. Malicious actors could exploit these systems, turning sophisticated technology against its creators or innocent populations. Cybersecurity measures must be robust to prevent such devastating scenarios. Artificial intelligence is accelerating a new global arms race, with nations vying to develop the most advanced autonomous weapons. This competitive drive risks escalating tensions and destabilizing international relations. It also diverts resources from essential humanitarian needs and peaceful technological advancements. Public opinion on AI in warfare is deeply divided. Many people are concerned about the ethical implications and potential for abuse, while others see the technological advancements as necessary for national security. Surveys reveal a mix of fear and cautious optimism. Experts provide valuable insights into the ethical and strategic considerations of AI in warfare. Military professionals emphasize the potential for reduced human casualties, while ethicists warn about the moral hazards and the dehumanization of conflict, urging caution and oversight. Regulating AI and autonomous weapons presents significant global challenges. Differing national interests and technological capabilities complicate the establishment of universal guidelines. Despite these hurdles, international coalitions and treaties are essential for ensuring responsible development and deployment of these powerful technologies. The humanitarian impact of autonomous weapons in conflict zones could be profound. While proponents argue that precision targeting can minimize collateral damage, critics worry about the potential for indiscriminate harm and the exacerbation of existing humanitarian crises, particularly in vulnerable regions. Possible future scenarios, if AI continues to advance in military applications, are both promising and alarming. We might see enhanced defense capabilities and reduced human risk, but also the potential for new forms of warfare and unprecedented ethical dilemmas that challenge our current frameworks. Addressing the ethical concerns surrounding artificial intelligence in warfare requires a multifaceted approach, including stricter international regulations and the establishment of clear guidelines. Governments and organizations must collaborate to develop frameworks, ensuring ethical use and accountability in autonomous weapon systems. Investment in AI research should prioritize ethical considerations, focusing on minimizing biases and preventing unintended consequences. Encouraging transparency and public debate on AI's role in military applications is vital, fostering informed discussions that shape responsible policies and technological advancements. Education and awareness campaigns can empower individuals and communities to understand the implications of AI in warfare. By involving diverse stakeholders, from policymakers to technologists, we can collectively work towards solutions that prioritize humanity, peace, and ethical integrity in conflict situations.